Jesse is never paying attention when my stories are airing. You're way over there in the Weather Center. You come running over at the last second, and you just barely rounded the corner. And I just wonder, do you ever learn your lessons? In case you haven't, we've got it on video here from yesterday. All right, let's talk about weather now. Meteorologist Jesse Huila just getting into place and getting caught. It's sharp there on the edge. But I probably don't need to tell you that now.
You all have booby traps over here? What's going on? Sorry, I was waiting for you to finish reading. You just...
I sped through that.
You kept going
because I saw you waiting to get in here, so I sped through the introduction to you to make sure that you would rush past that really sharp corner. I think you've got a big gash in your pants now.
Got to go home. Is it really a gash, man?
No.
First of all, quit looking. Second of all, this wouldn't happen if Kyle or Pete were here, so I'm glad to help. All right, let's go to this, shall we? That's unfair. I will say that. That's not fair.
Josh, our producer, is the one who pulled that. I had nothing to do with that right there. What we did actually, we had to put some tape on this thing today because you actually tore part of this.
No.
Or it tore you. I don't know.
You think I'm the one that did this?
Do you have a mark left over from that?
Yes. I need to go home. Pete, are you here? Let's go here. Let's start here. I want to get to this. We have a tornado watch in effect. Now listen, most of North Texas is not included in this. Cook County, Montague County are. None of the Metroplex included. This is until 9 p.m. If you go to the northwest of the Metroplex, that's the area that's of concern as we go through this evening. Right now, 81 degrees. Winds are out of the south, about 15 miles an hour. I'm going to get to radar. There's not much happening anywhere in North Texas, really. It's all to the west. We have highs that we want to talk about that are near record as we get into this end of the week into the weekend. 94 tomorrow, 92 Saturday, 90 Sunday. The record high Friday is 95. And that was set back in 1984. So a very hot day tomorrow, or for this time of the year, I should say. We know what hot is in North Texas. We really do. 94, it's getting there. If we go to the west here, there's where the thunderstorms are now. Again, there is nothing in North Texas right now. The thunderstorm chances start increasing as we go through the rest of this evening. But look, North Texas, quiet. All the way out toward Abilene is where you start to see some thunderstorms. Up to Seymour, it's still west of Wichita Falls. That's where the severe threat is now. This particular model doing a good job of showing where it is right now. So take a look as it progresses through the next several hours. Wichita Falls down through Graham, 6 p.m. 7 p.m., Wichita Falls, Mineral Wells area down through Stephenville. Again, this is the primary area of concern when it comes to severe weather. Now, for the Metroplex, we're not excluded from a chance to see some large hail up to the size of quarters or damaging wind gusts. We do have a risk to see some strong to severe storms, a little bit lower than those to the northwest. By 9 p.m., you see some thunderstorms in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, potentially through 10 into Collin County and Dallas County. Then 11 o'clock, we'll see if thunderstorms can survive. But if they do, they're going to be east of the Metroplex later tonight. And as we go through the overnight, we are quiet. We're not expecting a stormy night. I said this earlier, it's like we hit the reset button. We get into tomorrow late afternoon into the evening, thunderstorms develop. Some of those could be strong to severe. The primary risk area for Friday will be to the southwest of the Metroplex. That's this area right here as thunderstorms develop. Large hail, perhaps some damaging wind gusts, not out of the question. There's 6, 7 p.m. See thunderstorms still possible in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, but it's not a widespread chance of rain, a widespread chance of severe weather. That is not in the forecast. Same thing for Saturday. More thunderstorms develop late in the afternoon. There's 5 p.m. You can see maybe up to Wise County all the way down to the southwest. This would be the area where thunderstorms could be strong to severe. Yet again, there's 8 p.m. on Saturday, 9 p.m., 10. You see the idea here once we get yet again to the evening, the thunderstorm chance diminishes. So this evening's risk, level 2 slight risk for the Metroplex, lower to the east. Yet the tornado watch, Montague, Cook County, that's where there could be a risk of a tornado or two, especially to the northwest. Otherwise, quarter-size hail, 60-mile-an-hour winds. Tomorrow, showed you there on Timecast, southwest of Metroplex, that's where the better chance of severe weather is. For the same risk, quarter-size hail, damaging winds up to 60. And then mainly from the Dallas-Fort Worth area to the west, Saturday, it's a level 1 marginal risk for the Dallas-Fort Worth area and to the west. Tonight, 70 degrees, warm and muggy. The humidity's really creeping up tomorrow. 94 is the high, but you factor in the humidity, it's going to feel as warm as 97 degrees. So it's going to be a pretty toasty day tomorrow. Even as we head into the weekend, it doesn't get a ton better. 92 Saturday, 90 Sunday. upper 80s Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Those chances of rain over the next 10 days, just like I showed you on Timecast. Some better than others, but none of it extremely widespread and none of that, a big severe weather event, just kind of some hail, some wind chances. But we're going to keep an eye on it all night tonight. Especially areas northwest of Dallas, Fort Worth.
Okay, hopefully we just get the rain and it stays quiet other than that, but we have to watch it.
It would be ideal. Unfortunately, the territory of North Texas in May, they go hand in hand.
It's part of the landscape here.
It sure is.
Hey, before you go, one more video that I'm just
Oh, boy, I tell you what, you better not.
No, we got to get to this now.